Orílẹ̀-èdè Canada ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Níṣe ni wọ́n fi ìyà pẹ́ ta níbi tí ẹnìkan tí lóun fẹ́ bá Portable àbí ìbò kìkì ọlá wèrè olórin ìdààmú àdúgbò ya fọ́tò. Nítòdodo ohun tó sọ fún ọkùnrin onígẹ̀ yìí ni pé kó ṣe sùúrù. Ọkùnrin wèrè olórin yìí ṣe shopping lọ́wọ́ faranitọ̀ ń fa fóònù yọ o tó lóun yóò bá ìkà Africa ya fọ́tò dandan. Níbẹ̀ gan ni wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tọ́rọ̀ ọ̀hún sì di pàpàkókó bí ìjà ọ̀fà. Ìyẹn orírun Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gan o ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ láti ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ tó lọ́rọ̀.
Nínú Canada àbókù fẹ́ pa ẹ́ call police a máa gbé a máa arrest ẹ àbóyá rẹ call police may they carry am. Me, Echo from Nigeria, I'm a superstar, very active. Echo from Africa.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Those people say they want to snap picture with me. They are telling them I'm shopping. They should wait for me. Because I'm working with him. Why is he talking to me? He's good.
Saw everything.
I saw everything. Okay.
God bless you.
Okay. No, we got that all on cams, so...
You came to attack me.
No, I saw that.
When I'm doing shopping.
I saw that.
It was literally all...
You saw everything on the camera.
That was ridiculous, quite frankly.
God bless you.
I can't make any more statements on that. Are you guys making statements?
But he's the one.
So he needs to make one statement.
You saw everything on the camera.
So he needs to make one, she needs to make one.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Because we are two. He came to attack us.
I wasn't there. These are international staff from Nigeria. I wasn't there.
Yeah.
Yes, it's my fans.
So he's making a statement. No, that's going to be for his.
I just did his right here.
Oh, that's his?
Yeah.
On his behalf. Okay, so...
I'll do it on his behalf.
Yeah, it's dodgy.
He's an international artist from Nigeria.
It's not. Oh, no, he's making it on the assault. I know James, actually.
Now, Jaja a day for Canada. You can't fight me. Now, this security office, I won't go report. Tori, you have to fi jẹ Nigeria, wọ́n lè fi jẹ Canada. Mo ní right in Canada because mo máa tètè lọ report. They face me go report. They go see camera me. Now, today, thank God I camera him. I see the camera, I camera him. So now, security office, I'm a report. Na government. After God, na government. Hey, Devon, I'm a report. I get video when to for him blow money. Money. Sebon lo mo jaja. He dey fight also. He fight my promoter. Fight me join. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ ń pé promoter yẹn ò fẹ́. Ẹni mo ra aṣọ ni níbi tí mo ti ra aṣọ sálẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó wá fi tàwọn fáǹsì kẹwọ́.
Orúkọ mi ni Wòlíì Israel Ọládélé Ògùdípẹ̀ Genesis Global. Olorin TV ẹ máa wo ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ ń bẹ, ìrírí ayé pọ̀ ń bẹ, òtítọ́ pọ̀ ń bẹ. Ohun tó lè gbéyàn dìde tó máa múyàn kúrò nínú àṣìṣe ó pọ̀ ń bẹ. I am confirming Olorin TV. The more you know, the better you become. Olorin TV.
Olorin TV. Olorin TV. Nílé nínú òkúrin, ẹ máa wò ó. Ètò tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n.